guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this milk and honey body lotion. Let's get right into it. In this bowl I've got some emulsifying wax, some carrot oil and some cocoa butter. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description box. In this bowl I've got some water, some milk, some honey, and that's it. So I went ahead and warmed both parts of my recipe, so the milk mixture and then the oil mixture. I went ahead and warmed it to the same temperature. I then poured the oil part into the milk part, and as you can see, I'm gonna stick blend it for a while. If you've been watching my channel, you know that usually I'll stick blend it, leave it for a few minutes, come back, stick blend it again until it's nearly cool, and then I can add my essential oils and all that good stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, show some love, show some support. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell. Share the video. I'm sure other people will find it helpful. So I use liquid Germall Plus as my preservative at 0.5%, and for essential oils I use a citrus blend. You can use any essential oil that you prefer. This is a lighter lotion. It'll be very good for the summertime. Because this has milk in it, I wouldn't store it past 1 month. And yeah, I'll leave the exact measurements of everything in the description box below. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it in the comment section below, and as always I will do my best to respond. So here I'm going to show you the consistency. You can keep it in a bottle really because it's very light. It's not a thick lotion at all, as you can see. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have found this helpful. If you're not following me on my Instagram, it's at LusciousSkin&Hair. Do follow me for regular updates, and I do giveaways on there every now and again. You can further support me by going on my website, which is www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com, and subscribe to my mailing list or purchase something from my shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.